Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my room. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Magandang araw, magandang buhay. Welcome back guys sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. So sa mga bago po, we're here sa aming tiny kitchen. And pag hindi ka pa nagsusubscribe, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? So of course, for today, another chicken recipe ang isi-share ko sa inyo. And ito ay ang chicken liver steak with inihaw na talong. Yes guys, lalagyan ko ng inihaw na talong ang ating chicken liver steak. Paano nga ba? So tara, samahan niyo ulit ako sa aking journey of cooking. And for sure guys, magugustuhan nyo to and your loved ones as well, okay? Okay, so ang ating mga ingredients ay makikita on the description box below. So let's start the preparation guys. So ito yung mga ingredients natin. So first guys, ima-marinate ko muna ang ating chicken liver, okay? So marinated with na-marinate natin with calamansi, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then of course, lalagyan natin ng sugar, pinch of sugar, and pepper. Okay, so let's start. Okay guys, so first, tusok-tusukin ko muna itong guys, liver, para at least sumiksik yung mga spices natin while i-marinate natin, okay? Basta wag lang naman madurog. Lagyan lang natin ng parang ano yun? Butas. Ayan, para lang sumiksik ang ating soy sauce and calamansi sa ating liver, okay? So, na-try nyo na ba guys ang chicken liver steak? If yes, manood pa rin kayo guys to guide me through until the end of my cooking. And sa mga bago, samahan nyo ako guys. Ayan, so okay na. So let's put the toyo. And then the calamansi guys. Ayan. So gusto ko kasi medyo maasim, kaya maglalagay ako ng mga siguro 10 kaya to. 10 pieces of calamansi. Okay guys. And then, let's put some salt. Salt. Sugar. Sorry. And then, pepper. Ayan. Then, mix well. And then, of course, let's put our liver. Ayan. So, half kilo lang to ng liver. Chicken liver. Okay. So, let's marinate guys for an hour. And then, after that, let's fry our, igisa natin, pero kailangan i-toasted natin ang ating chicken liver para mas masarap. Okay? So, see you in a bit. Okay guys, let's saute our chicken liver. So, put butter. So, kung wala naman kayong butter guys, use the ordinary oil or olive oil. Mas masarap, right? And then, put the garlic. Followed with onion. So, onion ring ang slice ko sa onion. Magtitira tayo for the garnish. So, mas maraming onion, much better guys. Ang bango talaga ng butter. That's why I always use butter pag nagigisa ako. Okay guys, so let's now put our marinated chicken liver. So, i-ano muna natin siya guys, medyo semi-fry. So, kasi medyo toasted yung liver. So, hindi ko muna ilalagay yung sauce. Okay guys, so let's cook the other end. Ayan o. Ganito yung gusto kong ma-achieve. Medyo mag-golden brown ang ating liver. Ayan. guys. So, medyo toasted na siya guys. And kung titingnan nyo, oil na lang yung natira. Patuyo na. So, let's put yung ano natin, natirang marinated sauce. Okay. So, patuyuin lang natin konti guys. And, all done. Luto na. Lagay na natin ang ating onion. So, tikman nyo na lang guys, ayon sa inyong panlasa. Kung kulang pa sa alat, put salt. Okay, see you in a bit. All done guys. So, let's put into plate. Ipapaibabaw natin ang ating liver steak, chicken liver steak sa ating inihaw na talong. Yan, para magkalasa ang ating talong. So, kompletos, ricados tayo, may gulay, inihaw na talong with chicken liver. Ayan, guys, ang sarap. Panalo sa panlasang Pinoy. Tama? Tama. Okay, guys. Okay, garnish with garlic. Lagyan natin yung konting oil. And garnish with toasted garlic. Wow! Okay guys, so all done. Here's our chicken liver steak with inihaw na talong. Okay guys, so another recipe na naman po ang ibinahagi ko sa inyo na sana po matry nyo din at home na for sure panalo na naman at swak sa panlasang Pinoy ang ating chicken liver steak with inihaw na talong. Ayan guys. So, hindi na ako magti-tasting time dahil kakain na kami ni Vince. Mas masarap ito with rice. Okay? Pero, perfect ang lasa niya guys. Nung tinikman ko, andun yung sauce niya na may calamansi with soy sauce. Perfect. Okay? So, thank you so much for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and sana po patuloy niyong suportahan ang YouTube channel ko. Thank you guys. I love you all. Bye for now. Busog.